Are you presenting tonight?
Yes, me and Omid Lily, who's over there, are presenting Best British Film.
Okay, I won't ask you about that particular category,
You
but
can, I don't know the winner. I don't know. I actually am opening the envelope. Oh, blimey, it's going to be a surprise to me.
okay. Standout performance or standout film for you for the past year?
Well, her film so far,
Kick-Ass.
has been the film I've most enjoyed recently. But I like Moon. That's been really good. I like Fish Tank. What else did I like? God, what else films?
Inglourious?
Yeah, I liked Inglourious Bastards. I liked the Hurt Locker. I like The Hangover. That's what I really
Hilarious.
Yeah, The Hangover is, because comedy never gets, people say so never get, it's true, comedy never gets really nominated at these things, which is really ridiculous. Comedy is much harder than anything else. So The Hangover, that should have been nominated for Best Film and Best whatever.
Best everything.
Best everything. It's best, I think the first 40 minutes of that film are as funny as any film I've ever seen, so should have been, definitely.
Okay, I won't keep you on, but can I teach you a bit of Welsh?
You know, I'm half Welsh.
Are you?
Yeah, my dad's from Swansea, and his dad's from Swansea. Unfortunately, I can only say Yaki Dal. I've let you down.
No, diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr, exactly. What does it mean?
Thank you very much.
Okay, diolch yn fawr.
Thank you, David.
Cheers.
Thank you. Wow, o'n i'n gwybod bod David Baddiel o Gymru. Wel, hanner o Gymru, ond na ni. Diolch yn fawr.